Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I got the new MoYu WRM version 11 AI, and I want to check it out. So we're going to check out the Cube, check out the app, and then see if it works with some third-party apps. Once I get this open, we will find out. There's a couple apps already that were came out and then they changed the app. So I want to see if there's any updates to it. I don't use the apps so much, even though I really enjoy doing the sort of one-on-one battles. I don't really do the tutorial part of it, but we'll see. We'll go over battery life, charging, if there's a built-in battery. So we've got charging case, favorite charging case of all of them. The 11, so this is UV coated. Green magnets on edges, blue on corners, already lighting up. Very light. Very fast as well. It's hard to imagine that this is a Bluetooth puzzle. They've come a long way in the past. I think 2019 is when they really started to show up. And since 2019, so 6 years, it's been crazy. We have the same tensioning system, so no special tensioning system needed. This is just a tutorial. Inside here we have a tensioning device and information on that tensioning. We've got some cards. Okay, WeiLong version, so not WRM. WeiLong version 11 AI. Approximately 30 hours on a full charge. That is wonderful. That's more than enough time for one session. Low battery mode, 2-hour usage on a 5-minute charge. Very nice. So 5 minutes, you get 2 hours. 55.5 millimeters. Okay, I don't know which app is which, so we're gonna try this one first. Come on. Nope. Okay, did the right one instead. That just brought me to the website. So let's cover that now. That brought it to WeChat. Awesome, it is connected. Let's do versus. Gyroscope in this works extremely well. Actually, wait, I need a camera on the Cube. There we go, video there, hit start. Ooh, whoops. This is so light and fast. This does just feel like the regular one. In my opinion, the WeiLongs are the best Bluetooth Cube out there. Is it still a little confusing trying to set it up because there's not much in English? Totally. But now I don't know the price of this. They have been getting astronomically expensive. I'm going to assume this is over $100. Let's go back. Let's do ranked. After this one, I'm going to grab a little lubrication, slow it down a bit. If money is no option, for sure, get this one. However, I know that that's not always possible. Compared to the last one that I've used, this is very, oh, I need to focus actually. Slowing this down. Yeah, compared to the last one I've used, this is a lot lighter, and Although this is possibly an obvious thing, this feels more like an 11. Okay. So I'm going to try to connect this to the computer now. So I'll be done with this. Just let that load. Okay, and it is now connected to Cubeast. Why is this there's no cube on the screen though? So that's interesting. I wonder if that's just a glitch right here, or it's just because it's the very first one. It doesn't use the AI, or the gyroscope at all. Now you might say, why are you connecting it with Cubeast? And the reason is for all the data. Data is fun. Now these are not great solves, but there's so much going on here, and then we can go even farther what each step was. Let me do a better solve before we analyze it, so I can feel better about myself. I like that I can still connect it. Now I had to get the MAC address for it to be able to do that. That's better. So definite pause on that first pair. Huge one there. As far as steps, we can see each specific one for each slot. Reconstruction of the solution, although didn't really take in consideration that rotation. And recognition time, execution time. So we'll say that was a 5.99 second solve. Anyways, this is my new main. As far as Bluetooth puzzles go, the V10 is perfectly fine. If you like Bluetooth puzzles, if you like, this is the one to get. If you like them a little bit heavier, get the V10 instead. So correct me if I'm wrong, but the one with the adjustable tensions is the Super WeiLong, and that one had like a blue instead of orange. And then this must have been the V10. That's a little bit heavier, still orange. If there's a way to identify it, maybe by like the tracks or something like that, please let me know, or that it's not undyed plastic on the centerpiece, while this one is there. If that's the key, let me know. If that's a whole different one, I'm not sure. But yeah, if you like heavier ones, which I kind of do, I would go with the V10. I'm starting to use lighter ones only because of like possible arthritis. I want a better one to end on. You know, I'm just going to do 5 solves and put those 5 solves in the video. We'll call that good. Little ZBLL that I know. Gonna have to change that one to say Rue later on. Actually, I think I just click this, right? Yeah. There it is. That's better. Well, I'm done.